Alright, ECE 173, Week 5 assignments. We were asked to write two programs, one of which added all the digits together in a number, and then the second one reversed it and told whether or not it was a palindrome or whether or not they were different numbers when reversed. So starting in the first one, it starts out with initializing everything, and it says, please enter a positive number, which the user does, and then the user gives the number of digits, and after that, it sets the temporary number equal to the number, and then the sum equal to 0, and then it enters this for loop where I equals 0, and I is less than or equal to d, the number of digits, and then it adds. So first it takes the modulus to get the last digit of the number. So if you entered 1, 2, 3, that would be 3. And then it adds it to sum, which is 0 right now. And then it divides by 10. So if once again, if it was 1, 2, 3, it would get that 2. And then since the condition does fit, since we would be on the second run, it would be less than 3, and it would do it again until the statement was false. And when done, it would just print sum is, and whatever number it was, and then it ends. So I'll run through that here real quickly. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when added up, this should be equal to 15. Number of digits is 5. Sum is 15. So there we go. And then the second one asks us to reverse a digit. So same as before, initializing everything, getting the number and the number of digits, setting sum equal to 0, and then I had some trouble with the if statement down here, so I created another variable, which is just original number. Because when, I put number through all of this, the computer must have been confused and must have been comparing it to this number down here. So it goes through the for loop, I equals 0. It ends when I is equal to the number of digits, and it adds. So once again, get the modulus, which is equal to 10, and then the sum, which is equal to 0 right now, will be equal to sum plus that number that went through the modulus here, raised to the power of the number of digits minus 1. So if the number was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we couldn't use just the number of digits, because that would be 10 to the power of 5, which would be 100,000 instead of 10,000. So I did this instead, and then it multiplies it by that number again. And then we set d equal to d minus 1, and n equal to n divided by 10, just to get those new numbers for the program. And then this will even work, once again, when d is equal to 0, because 10 raised to the 0 power will be 1, and when reversed, it'll just be 1 times that last number. And then it prints what the new number is, and then it enters this if statement here. So if sum is equal to the original number, then print palindrome, and then else print original and reverse number are different, and then it ends. So I'll try it out here with a few examples. So starting off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Digits, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and original and reverse number are different. Now I'll try it again with a palindrome. 1, 2, 2, 1. Digits, 4. 1, 2, 2, 1, palindrome. And then even if you were to give it something like 1, it would just give you 1, and it is a palindrome. So there it is, both programs. As always, I'll add the notes and submit the files and add the link to this YouTube video. Thank you very much. Have a good one.